Hello children. Here we are with our EVS subject as it is very interesting subject. I hope you all are too enjoying it. In this subject we learn about plants, animals, work of the people and so many things. Today also we are here with a new topic and very interesting one. I hope by seeing this picture you might have understood something about that what we are going to learn. Yes, we are going to learn about clothes. People in this picture are wearing different types of clothes. People living different places have different varieties of wearing living style. Okay. So they wear different types of clothes.
During the prehistoric era, people did not have clothes to wear. To cover themselves, they used leaves, animal skin, and furs. Later, people started making strands by twisting vines and animal fleece to weave them into fabrics. People draped during the
Yes, we are here with our chapter number 15, A Beautiful Cloth. Yes, in this chapter, we will learn that how the clothes are invented, from which all the materials the clothes are made, and from where we get these fabrics. Variety of fabric. There are different varieties of fabric, children. Cotton, rayon, woolen, terracotta, synthetic. Different types of fabrics are there. And different types of fabrics are made up of different fibers. Let us see. Introduction to fibers. We get fibers from plants as well as from animals. Fibers we get from plant like cotton. You can see in this picture that how cottons are weaved into a thread, and then a thread is woven into a cloth. There are two different types of fiber, natural fiber and man-made fiber. So here we will see natural fiber. We get natural fiber from plants and from animals. So fiber we get from plants are cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. Cotton plant we get cotton. Cotton are converted into a thread and then a thread is weaved into a cloth. We get wool from animal. Have you seen wool? Yes. Wool are used to make woolen clothes like sweaters, jackets, right? We get wool from animals. Animal like sheep gives us wool. We get silk. From which animal gives us silk? We get silk from silkworm. This is an insect. We get silk from silkworm, and silk is used to make saris, kurtas and different items. Next is man-made fiber. Nowadays, man-made fibers are very commonly used like nylon. This is a nylon fiber. Nylon fiber is also used to make some cloths. Terracotta. Terracotta is also one of the fiber which is used to make a towel. We are using towels now. This is made up of a terracotta material. Children, fibers are made into yarns by spinning. And in olden days, people used to spin it on charkha. Can you see a charkha over here? Yes, it is a charkha. Charkha, it's very commonly used by Gandhiji. It's very famous. So, but nowadays, so many clothes are used by people, and in the market, there are different varieties of clothes are available. But it's not possible to spin all this in charkha. So, nowadays, such types of big spinning machines are available in the market to weave the thread into cloths. These yarn are woven into cloth on hand looms or by power looms. Then the cloths are dyed up, dyeing of cloths. You know what is dyeing? Means coloring the clothes. Earlier, natural dyes made from plants were used to color the clothes. But nowadays, synthetic colors are made from chemicals are used to color the clothes. We have different color clothes na. We need yellow color, green color, blue color. So these are dyed means colored by a synthetic material, synthetic color. Thank you, children. I hope you must have understood about this much about the clothes. And next part, we will learn about the traditional ways of decorating fibers. How the fibers are decorated. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.